Okay guys, so welcome to the tutorials for Fan Marketer. Now, the way the tutorials are going to work is I'm going to talk you through how to use the basic version of Fan Marketer to begin with. So those of you who have chosen to upgrade your license to the Pro version, any differences that you see here in these tutorials, if anything looks a bit different, then those extra things that you've purchased, those extra Pro features that aren't covered in these basic tutorials, will all be covered at the end in a special Pro version tutorial. So to begin with, I recommend you all just follow through these tutorials with the basic versions. If you see any slight differences, you can just ignore them for now, and then we'll revisit those at the end for the Pro version users. Okay, so to begin with, we need to set up our Facebook app. And the Facebook app is necessary because it allows Fan Marketer to interact with your Facebook account and to interact with all your fan pages and do all the cool automation stuff that you bought Fan Marketer for. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Facebook Developers. So that's developers.facebook.com. So log in here, and then if we go along here, there's a section called My Apps. And then if we go down, there is an add new app. So that we need to add a new app. Okay, so now we need to create a name for our app. Now, sometimes some of the things that your app posts will have your app name on it. So, for example, some posts on your fan page, some comments, some replies, some of the automation stuff that that Fan Marketer does might sometimes have your fan app name on. So you want to have a name that isn't going to sound too spammy and to make it sound too obvious like it really is a marketing tool. So I'm just going to put something simple like my fan helper. My fan helper. So it's just a nice generic name that doesn't really mean anything. And because you're just going to be creating one app to manage all of your different campaigns, you really want to keep this pretty generic. So I'm going to start like that, have my contact email in there, and then I will create the app. So now we just got to, we need to put this in here. So SMWKF. So now we just got to wait a little for Facebook to create our app. This takes a little time. Okay, so that's our app. So the first thing we want to do is we go to settings. So the first box that we need to fill out is app domains. So for app domains, we're just going to put fanmarketer.net. Please note you don't want the HTTP, so make sure the HTTP isn't there. It's just fanmarketer.net. The next thing we need to do is choose a category, and we're going to choose apps for pages. Next thing we need to do is add a platform. So we go add platform, website, and then we're just going to put copy this, fanmarketer.net. So it's paste here. So it's http://fanmarketer.net. So make sure you've got the full thing in like that, exactly like that. And then we choose save changes. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is go to app review, and then we just click yes. Confirm. Okay, the next thing we want to do is go to settings again. So back to settings, and we're going to copy the app ID here, and we're going to paste it in here. Then we're going to show the app secret, so I need to put my password in here, and then we're going to copy the app secret and we're going to put it in here. Now you'll also notice there's a Google API key field here. Now, I'm not going to deal with this now because that's actually related to getting the videos, the YouTube videos automation working. So I'll revisit this in the videos tutorial. The next thing we need to do is choose our time zone. So I'm currently in the UK and it is British summertime. So that's UTC plus 1 hour. So obviously this will just depend wherever you are in the world. If you're on Eastern Standard Time, it would be -5, etc, etc. But I'm going to go with +1 for now. So now I just click save. And then we'll see a little thing's popped up here saying all Facebook. So I need to click this. And yes, we continue as down. And you need to make sure you change this to public. It's important that you do that. And then we click OK. And then we click OK. Okay, so that's our app setup, and we are now ready to start our campaign.